So today we are going to measure the horizontal angle and vertical angle with the help of this digital satellite. So first of all, I mark the station point O on the ground and perform the temporary settings of the satellite, that is leveling, centering, removing the parallax and focusing. After this instrument is ready to take the observation. So I mark this ranging rod as point P on the ground and the second rod as point Q on the ground. So I have to measure the horizontal angle POQ. So for this, after this, you first of all, it can be recorded as face left reading and face right reading. So here I have written this thing. This is my vertical circle, FOLP, fault. This is my vertical circle. So readings are recorded as first of all as face left reading and face right reading. Face left reading are the reading when the vertical circle is on the left hand side of the observer. Those readings are recorded as face left reading. When the vertical circle is on the right hand side of the observer, those are known as face right reading. So making this shifting, there are two technical terms. Now I am rotating the telescope about the horizontal axis. This is known as transiting or plunging. The movement of the telescope by 180 degree about the Trunnion axis or horizontal axis in the vertical plane is known as plunging or transiting. The second term is swinging. Now this is the movement of the telescope about vertical axis in the horizontal plane. Movement of the telescope about vertical axis in the horizontal plane is known as swinging. These are very important definitions, words, technical words I will use when I am going to record the horizontal angle. So now here I am going to record the horizontal angle. You can switch on the satellite from this on-off switch. Then after this, you can bisect the station point P with the help of this viewfinder. Looking through this eyepiece, you can bisect this. So now it is approximate in line. Then you can hold it from here. This is the horizontal locking screw, bigger dia. Okay. If there is a discrepancy, you can use this slow motion screw to make this exactly bisected from the ground level. The rod should be bisected from the ground level. So, and then removing the parallax and focusing. Okay. So the object is exactly bisected. So after this, from this panel, you set, here is HR for this horizontal angle, V for vertical angle. So I adopted this HR. So from 0 set, so this is my 0 reading. Okay. Okay, ठीक है. So this is, the angle is set at 0. Now you can unlock the horizontal screw. Okay. And bisect the next point on the ground, that is station point Q. Now, similarly, you bisect it through the viewfinder and make this exact bisected with the help of this slow motion screw. After bisect, I lock it, the horizontal, and make it exactly bisected with the help of slow motion screw. So here you can read the angle. This angle is as 110 degree 3 minutes and 23 seconds. 110 degree 3 minutes and 23 seconds. So now you can change its phase. So first of all, you unlock the telescope from here. Okay, this is the transiting or plunging of the telescope, then unlock from this horizontal lock. This is the swinging of this. So now the vertical circle is on the right hand side. So these readings will be known as face right reading. Again, you can bisect the station point P. So this point is bisected. You can lock it and exactly bisect with the help of slow motion. Okay. So now again you can set this HR on 0 set. Okay. So again the reading on the horizontal angle 0. You unlock the horizontal and read the exactly bisect the station point Q with the help of slow motion screw, and now you can read the reading. This reading is come to be so this reading is 111 degree 3 minutes and 29 seconds. So this much variation may be. First is 111 degree 3 minutes and 28 seconds. There is a same, or there is a variation of 1 second. That is due to bisection maybe. So here we recorded the horizontal angle on face left and face right. From these two readings, we take the mean of the angle from face right plus face right plus left. So take the mean, that is the exact value of the horizontal angle we measured on